the latest episode of Kizilcik Şerbeti, a series, a particular scene stole the spotlight and left fans of Sila Turkoglu buzzing. Throughout the series, Turkoglu's character Doğa enforced challenging the criticism, leading to concern among her dedicated fan base. However, in a refreshing turn of events, a new chemistry unfolded on screen, reigniting enthusiasm among Turkoglu's supporters. The scene in question showcased a captivating dynamic between Doğa and Jiray, portrayed by Kaan Tashaner as Turkoglu's character, beamed with happiness and shared heartfelt moments with Jiray. Fans could not contain their joy. The reaction flooded social media platforms with fans expressing their delight at Turkoglu's return to the forefront of the storyline. The chemistry between Turkoglu and Tashaner breathed new life into the series, leaving fans eagerly anticipating what's next for their favorite characters. This standout moment not only embraced Turkoglu's fan but also demonstrated